Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make our Winter Forest Christmas wreath. So when you open the box you'll find a wreath base, some ribbon, some gold wire and of course your flowers. And you'll also need a pair of scissors. So start by attaching your ribbon just by creating a knot and then creating a loop so that you can hang it to your wall. And next up I'm taking some eucalyptus, some red broom, some asparagus fern and some of this red phalaris and just bunching them together and binding them with the wire. These will create all of the pieces that we add to the wreath. So just keep going with this process until you run out of stems. So now we're going to attach the flowers by binding all of these small bunches onto the base using the wire provided. So you place the first one to the base and then attach it with the wire and then place the next one on top of the last and keep continuing until the wreath is almost complete. So for the final piece, you want to leave the wires as long as possible so that you can hook the final piece onto the base just by slightly lifting the penultimate piece and nestling this underneath that last one. You can then twist the wires to the back of the base to secure it. And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one. Bye!